Like, it's really crazy. This is 2:46 a.m. and I can't even sleep because of a lot of things, right? So I've been on this chat for a while now, for over 4 hours or more. I'll just watch it, do some things, probably take a trade, take a loss and come back, just taking losses back to back and then going out of trade and then trade finally goes to TP, that kind of crazy thing. That's what I've been fighting here. So you can see this trade. Funny enough, I was supposed to be on this trade to get to this buy, but that was the last trade I took a loss, right? I actually spotted an engulfing from this zone, I guess, on 5-minute time frame. And then it retraced like sniper, buy sniper, sell. If you understand that, you get. I was trying to buy, then from the place I entered, the sniper sell instead. So it was getting here. My stop loss was below here. Can you see? But then I was watching the chart and it was crazy. If I had left the chart and maybe probably continue watching my movie, I wouldn't have zoomed off this trade. But then I went out because it just came towards here. And then price began to go up and it then engulfed here. And then I wanted to go in from here, from this zone, hoping that okay, this is a place where if it comes here, if I had entered here, you see, I would have also recovered. Or if I had held my trade from here, I would have made a lot of profits. But then it's really crazy. So I was using my MT5 actually to do all this shit. But then I said, let me just use my trading view. Why not? So that I'll be able to lock all these support, the resistance lines you get. So that's why I did it. So from here now, watching price do whatever it's doing. Now let me show you something that I've learned. Right. So this is how this price movement has been going. Yeah, one thing I love about this failure swing or failure swing you get, or redeem order block and the rest you get. Now this is price. Let me just go from here. Price came, it did this, right? And we're expecting price to come to this zone, like a breaker block to buy from here, right? When this place impulsively broke this zone, right? And then price came, it reacted here, it came back, reacted here, it came down here. We expected to make a move from here, but it broke, reacted here, supposed to go up, but it broke down again, it came up, it still came back to the support. Now, this is the zone I was saying we're expecting to sell from, but it came, rapidly broke it here, and it came back, also went back. So this zone, you won't forget, this is like our key area here, and price also came and broke impulsively downward. Now, this zone, you get, it's not a zone to be forgotten, right? You can see price came back to the same zone, and then reacted, right? It still came and reacted. And then, after we have this, price came here, right? Reacted here, and it's failed to break here, came up. There's a trend line here that I'm watching. You can see it formed a W here, and then you can see this now. Now I will be waiting for this candle. You can see, so I can choose to go in. I'm going to buy because I'm hoping to buy. That has been my bias for a long time, to buy this to clear off all this, right? Or there was a zone below. If it breaks below here, then I'll be looking for short. But then since it has done this that I was expecting, I just need patience. You get, that's why I'm actually battling it. I have the skills. I know the storyline about price. Everything that is happening, why it's happening. You get. Well, now all I need to do is patience. That's one of the things I'm lacking. I need help. If you have help, please tell me in the comment section. Anyways, if I also find help, I'm going to help you out. You can see we're having this thing formed now. You get, we're having this pattern formed. You can see it, right? So we expect price to come back to this zone. So we wait to see what price is going to do from here. So in this zone, if price breaks above here, then definitely we are going to look at price heading to the other zone, right? But if it breaks below here, then we're looking to short to this zone, then we buy to this zone. Or if it breaks here below also and comes to this trend line, we wait for it to retest back here and sell down. That's just what I'm waiting for. You get, I have my bias now. I need to just be patient. That's why I'm making this video. Maybe probably if I make this video, I'll be humble enough to wait. So yeah, yo guys, so this is the trade. Like I said, I was going to wait for price to reach this support zone. If it closes above, then I might wait for the next candle and see to buy to the high up zone, up to the upside here. And if it fails to break, you can see there's a rejection of price here, and I waited for the second candle. After the second candle, I decided to go short, so I'll be taking my profit from the zone here. Yeah, then I'll wait for the next reaction, because initially I was supposed to buy from here. So any reaction from this, you can see there's a trend line. Any reaction from here, I'm going to buy to the upside. Else, if there's not, I'll wait for the break, then I'll wait for it to retest and go short. Else, we wait for price intent. So all we need to do now is just be patient and wait for intents of price. So sorry, I slept off, so I didn't get to do the video after the SL. So we took a loss from here. It's really crazy though. And you can see I waited. Remember I told you when it breaks the resistance, I'm going to look for the buys to the upside, which is what happened. As you can see, I waited for price to retrace back after the break, and I secured from that same order block, which is more like the reclaim order block.